Hi, boys and girls. So before you begin your activity looking for rectangles and squares, let's first go over what rectangles and squares are. So remember, these shapes are two-dimensional. They're flat shapes. So first, let's look at the square that I found. So this square has four sides and four vertices or four corners, and each side is the same length. So this side is as long as this side, which is as long as this side, which is as long as this side. This is the rectangle that I found. And with the rectangle, it still has four sides and four vertices or four corners. However, two of the sides are longer than the other two. Now, let's look at the mistake that I made so you don't make the same one when you do this. This was the first object that I said, oh, I found this as a rectangle. But remember what we said about the rectangle. A rectangle is a two-dimensional shape. It's flat. This has the face of a rectangle, but this whole thing is not a rectangle. This is not a flat shape. It's a solid shape. It's a three-dimensional shape. It's a rectangular prism. So you can say you found a rectangle, but you want to make sure you're saying that the face of the side of this is a rectangle, because we don't want you to start confusing what is a flat two-dimensional shape and what is a solid three-dimensional shape. So make sure you don't make the same mistake I made with that. Now let's look at another mistake I made. Now we said that this is a square because it's flat. It's a flat two-dimensional shape. This, however, kind of looks like a square, but we can easily see that this is not a square. This is actually a cube. It's a three-dimensional shape. And I know it's a cube because it has 6 flat surfaces around it, and it's not flat. This is flat. So here's a little tip of what you could also do, boys and girls, to make this a little easier. Simply walk around and just point to things that are the shape. Up, here we go. This is a rectangle. This is a flat two-dimensional shape. Here's something else I found. This is a map. And if I were to take this off, it's just a piece of paper. So that is a flat two-dimensional shape. And I know it's a rectangle because it has 4 sides and 4 vertices, and 2 of the sides are longer than the other 2. Have fun working with shapes today.